What is paraffin bait technique? What is bait? If you want to catch a fish, you throw the hook with a tied up amount of worms. The worm will be the bait that can help you catch the fish. Likewise, if at all you use paraffin as the bait to capture fungi or Nocardia asteroides, you call it as paraffin bait technique. Now, this paraffin bait technique was generally run as a paraffin rod introduced into the local area, where when you're trying to culture the organism, paraffinolytic microbes can grow very well. What do you mean by that? Those organisms who can break down the paraffin as the sole source of carbon can actually grow in the presence of these organisms. So it means these organisms can be isolated better in comparison with the other organisms who cannot utilize paraffin or the wax. So this can be used as a selective method of isolating an organism. Some fungi who are very difficult to be cultured can actually be isolated by the paraffin isolation technique, and Nocardia asteroides has been very well isolated using the paraffin bait technique. Now, an improvement to this whole technique is using paraffin slide culture technique, where you're not only able to isolate the Nocardia asteroides, you're able to understand the in situ morphology of the organism. You can perform acid-fast staining on the Nocardia, and also you can perform Oramin fluorescent staining on it. And this is how there has been improvement in paraffin bait technique.